high maintenance, the making it rain challenge. I don't see that I got that envelope, but let me check.
No, it's all love. No, it's all love.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, here on YouTube and TikTok. And if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on my channel. And I hope you're doing great. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And if you are one of my forever subscribers, how your sister, your mother, your cousin, your aunties, your uncles, your children doing? I hope you're having a great weekend. Today I just have a quick unboxing, you guys. I did see Baddies&Budgets release her 2023 Saving Challenge book, and I could not help myself, you guys. I absolutely loved it. I love the concept of it. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get it this year because I have so many other saving challenges going on, but this is definitely the one for the books. I'll probably get to it when I get to it, because you know I already have a lot of saving challenges going on right now, and I was like I was starting to get a little overwhelmed, just a little bit. But I saw this and I was like, oh, this would be great for something that I can stuff like maybe once a month, or try to do something that is like, I'll try to do something that's like I would say once a month at the beginning of the month, and try to like at least try to stuff a little bit in here, because she does have some challenges that are very small and that you'll be able to complete. So this is what it really looks like. Sorry, it's kind of late at night, so, and if you hear my heater in the background, it is freezing here in Atlanta, so excuse me for that. But this is what it looks like on the inside. She has a welcome baddies, and she has all your information right here. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, yeah, okay. And then your table of contents, and you can kind of see how much you have. I think the highest amount is the maxed out challenge, and she also has like the baddie society challenge, that I think that's the lowest that I've seen. And she also has fan favorite challenges also. Some of these are at your pace, so you don't necessarily have to, but they are smaller amounts. That's why I was like, okay, maybe I could do this like maybe once a month, because they aren't as big. Because I do have, like, you know, the table of the my savings box, you know, that one is like a 3,000 challenge. I have my 10K challenge savings box, and I've also have, I put these in here, and I also have my 100 envelope challenge and the monthly challenges that I am doing. So I don't want to overwhelm myself with all these challenges, but it was so pretty. I love the hard work that she puts into it. So you have your 20 envelopes, which if you buy the bundle, it does come with the envelopes, so you can put any amount in there. It's a very small challenge that is easier to do, and you can save $210 just doing this challenge. I actually really like it. I feel like it's very doable. The healthcare challenge, and she has quotes in some of these. I'm gonna move this out the way. She does have some quotes that you can read. The drinking fuckboy tears, that's really fun. Like the big bank baddie, this is a you put in how much ever, you could choose a denomination for the $sign, and you can fill it out as you go. And this is just your self-care, fries before guys self-care challenge. And this is funny. I remember that when he said you gotta think big, bitch. And this is the make it rain challenge. I like that. That's really cute. high maintenance, but I'm worth it. This is really cute. I like that. Cause you know I'm more into shoes right now. Like I'm more in the era of having like, you know, my shoes, but I also love my bags too. So I might do this one for shoes. The Blow Me Challenge. This is really cute. It says you're the Beyonce of the group. Don't let them treat you like Michelle. Baddie, but also a saddie. And I think you just color it in. It's $1. You add $1 to your savings. This is once you color in all of it, you should have about $24. And you can use the money to buy you something joy. I'll probably have to do a little bit bigger because, you know, maybe get your nails done, your hair done, get your hair done, you know, something cute. But Not So Sweet Tart 5151 2626. This is cute. So it has like all the information on how to save. I should be going through it and actually going through the envelopes too, because I didn't, yeah, I just kind of just pulled them out. But this is the $10 challenge. I really love these illustrations. Like they did a great job on the illustration. The creme de la creme, that's really cute. The Baddies book club, you know, I love to read. So I think this is when I saw this, I really got into it. And I was like, that is such a cute idea. She has like the best little saving challenges ideas. I love the quotes. And then you have your maxed out challenge. This is like your for your Roth account, your Roth IRA. Like that is really nice. And then I think it keeps going. Yeah. And then you have your emergency fund. It's $18. You can set aside $18 with each piggy bank. So that looks really doable. $18 every paycheck. You just put it in there. And she has another page for it. The Holly Jolly Challenge. And there's some information on there. And it's like $500 for that. And then you have your own 52-week challenge. You add them out the line. So you just, this is their own $52 challenge. And this is for like if you have a new phone. I do want to get a either this could be for like electronics too, because I do want to get me a MacBook Air, but I want to max it out because I also write books, so I also want to get that. It's about $1,000. I'll probably have to add like 100, or I think it's like 300 more for MacBook Air, or for actually for a camera too. And then you have your finance books, which I love this list. Some of them I think I've read, but some of them I haven't. So I will be putting these on my Apple books so I can go ahead and save them there and I can read them. Then you have your home savings challenge. And I love that these aren't like dated. You can start it whenever you want. And then you have your congratulations when you finish. This one is so cute, and I love the envelopes that came with it. I love supporting other businesses, so that you see that there. And this one, I'm just gonna try to set it up. I'm gonna be using my pink cluster diamond binder for this challenge. I think it's really cute, goes with the theme of everything. So I'm just going to hole punch them. You know, this one is for A6 personal. Let's see. So I'm just gonna hole punch them all. So I have the 20 envelope challenge right here, and this will go into my savings box challenge. And I have the healthcare challenge. I think I already put that one in there. Let me see, because I think I did kind of mess up on that one already. Oh, okay. Yeah. So I hole punched this one. Is that the one that I messed up? No, this is the big bank one that I really messed up. This was the big bank baddie after the self-care challenge. I might be missing the make it rain challenge. Or am I supposed to get that one, or was it only available? It's like maybe I am missing one, but maybe it didn't come with this kit. Let me see. Maybe it didn't come with all of them, just certain ones. So let me see. Maybe the Baddies Book Club didn't have one, and the Drinking Boy Tears Challenge. Got that one. The Make It Rain Challenge. I didn't get that one. Because I know some of these are... Yeah, that's the emergency fund. You got the 52-week one. The new phone. Who's this? Those are the oldies but goodies. Okay, so I don't have the Make It Rain challenge unless I am missing it, but I don't have that one. Like, maybe some of them don't come with all the envelopes. Yeah, for some reason I didn't get the Make It Rain envelope. Or maybe it didn't come with it. I don't know. But I think I did get most of them. Yeah, so I didn't get the Drinking Boy Tears or the Make It Rain or the Baddies Book Club. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I guess it just comes with the 12 envelopes. So I'm putting them in here. Then I'll probably just group them with the other challenges. It's like I'll look on her website, because maybe they just come with 12 envelopes. So some of them gets the Make It Rain challenge or the other envelopes, and they won't get all of them. But I don't know. We shall see. Okay. So that's what it looks like. So I will be doing these envelopes probably once a month, and since they are self-paced. So we're moving on. I did get this dashboard too. It's really cute. I got it from my A5 binder. It's for this one. And these are like future savings and my goals. You know, I have my $1 challenge once they get too big, but I did get the box. $5 challenge if it gets too big for my envelopes. Dream house, dream car, my dream wedding, and I do want to go to Tahiti. So that is my goals for this one. Alrighty, that's it for that. And I did get some envelopes from MissK. She's here on YouTube. She's a Canadian cash stuffer. She's in Canada. So she has these really cute clear envelopes. I don't know if you see them. I can't wait to do something really pretty with these envelopes. These will probably be my next year envelopes for like my high priority and my low priority that I'm gonna completely redo. So I got these on her website because I can't find like clear envelopes like this anywhere. So I got them off of MissK. She did have the ones with the black top, kind of like these ones. Like it looks like this one with the black zipper top, but she was sold out. But they were like clear, like crystal clear. But she was sold out of the black tip ones, so I just got the regular ones, and these will be what I'll be using to redo my high priority and my low priority. I don't know what design I'm gonna go with, so I'm really excited for that. Really excited for that. So I think that's about it, you guys, for my little unboxing today. So I guess I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for clicking on this channel. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.